Okay, well, I gotta hurry up, but if you saw that, that was a Porsche wrapped in like a dark matte green. I'd be kinda surprised if they race me, to be honest. But I've been sitting here for like 20 minutes. I'm getting very sweaty, and I gotta get home to take care of my dog, so I can't really be too picky anymore. The only thing that passed me that whole time that was like somewhat cool was a very old Mustang with like the antique plate on it and everything. But other than that, it's just been a bunch of regular traffic. So I will settle for this 4-door Porsche up here. Plus my GoPro battery's getting low, so like I don't have the time to be picky anymore. But thankfully everyone is moving out of the way. Of course, they're turning. Well, that was all for nothing. Alright. So the only way you guys are going to see any of this footage or what I just said is if something interesting happens on my way home, which doesn't seem likely. Oh, well, I mean, that's a state trooper, so there's a possibility. I always slow down there just in case, even though I've never seen a cop there until now. The one time I didn't, he's sitting there. I think I might be okay. I think I was going slow enough. Or he just didn't want to pursue. Yeah, I guess I got lucky. Okay. Dude, when I saw that out of the corner of my eye, my heart immediately just shut off. It just stopped. Man, I thought for sure I was screwed. He can't catch me, but I wouldn't do that anyways, ever. I would never run from an officer. But I thought for sure I was screwed there. I guess I was going slow enough. That's proof that my speedometer is off because I didn't get pulled over. Unless, like I said, he just didn't want to bother. Well, now he'll probably end up seeing it, I guess. Because of that. I thought for a second, the first thing that went through my head is, well, this is turning into a getting pulled over video. But it didn't. So, thank you. That's crazy, because literally last video, the video I recorded like 20 minutes before I started recording this one, I said, the cops are out, probably, because it's Labor Day weekend, so I'd assume they're going to be out. But I didn't see any until a little bit later. And again, back to nobody on the road. That's so weird. It's like 5:15 now, so where is everybody? Good thing I wasn't speeding though, that cop back there. Just like I said earlier today, I was in the mood to.
12 seconds later.
What? Is the fair done already? Right, it was like... That was so fast. I just got some like warning on my GoPro. I don't know what it said. Can't really read that. Something came up on the screen. I think the battery died. That might be it. So I'm gonna assume that's what it is because I don't see the blinking light anymore. There was a bunch of frat people standing outside and it said honk we drink. So that's what that was about. But yeah, I think the GoPro's dead. So here's a picture I took while I was waiting for cars. Sorry that one didn't go as planned, unfortunately. But I still tried to make it entertaining. I got lucky by not getting pulled over. So I'm happy about that. As entertaining as the getting pulled over video might be, the fine isn't fun. So anyways, since you can't see anything, I'm gonna head out. I'll see you in the next one. Sorry it didn't go too well today, but unfortunately I